Hi, this is Jody Suson with Suson Essentials, and I'm a little tired today, and I thought, well, I need to do something to give myself more energy and also keep myself grounded, right? So Spirit came to me and gave me this idea. And by the way, before we go on to that, let me introduce you to my supervisor. This is Fagala, little songbird. So Fagala is going to supervise from the shoulder. So I chose to put watermelon. We had some extra watermelon. I put, a few chunks, you can kind of see that, into the blender. And watermelon is very grounding, okay? So it's a really good thing, and it's got natural sugars in it, so it would give you energy. And I thought, well, that'd be great to eat, but then I thought, let's just do it a little better, shall we? So I have this product, it's Elite, and I'm gonna put this in the thread. Elite comes from a company that we work with called New Age, and it's got all sorts of nutrients, including ashwagandha, which is an adaptogenic herb. What does that mean? It means it helps your body adapt to the environment because our environment is always changing. So I thought, okay, so we'll just try it, make it better. So we're just gonna pour that in to the blender, right, with the watermelon. And I'm just making this up as I go. We're gonna do 2 cups of water, and we're gonna put that little lid on. Make sure it's sealed. Got our Ninja blender, and we're gonna let that go. All right, so that's how simple that's gonna be. And I like to party, and I like to repurpose, wine glasses and fancy glasses because we don't drink in this household. And we're gonna pour that in there. 1 for me, 1 for my husband, and this is gonna make a great drink. Oops. Ta-da! And now let's see how good it tastes. Oh my God, that's really, that is so good. Hold on. Okay. Amazing. Okay, thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Jesus. Fagala, and it's Fagala approved. Okay, so there's my new recipe. Bye.